Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Barbie here with a new video. No, I'm joking, obviously. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can probably tell from how I look right now, and from the title and the thumbnail, I kind of tried to turn myself into a Barbie doll. I know, bit weird, bit random, but I was just sat there thinking one day, why not turn myself into a Barbie doll? So I was waiting till I got my hair dyed blonde again. Then I bought these hair extensions, which I'm in love with. I know my hair isn't that blonde, but because I had such a dark base on it, it was really hard to make it as blonde as I wanted it to be. This is literally one of my favorite videos that I have ever done on this channel. So yeah, please do keep on watching if you want to see how I sort of turn myself into a Barbie doll. I don't know. I'm quite happy with it. I feel like I'm talking so fast. When I get like really happy, I tend to talk quite fast, but I am so happy with how this turned out. So yeah, I am going to edit my eyes blue because I forgot to buy blue contacts. But yeah, I'm gonna edit my eyes to be blue, and at the end of the video, you guys will see what I look like with blue eyes and this whole makeup. But yeah, I am shook to the core. Barbie is shaking, she's quaking, she doesn't know what to do no more. She's like, eh. I'm joking, but yeah, let me know how you guys think I did. I feel like this intro is like the longest intro in the world. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you are new here, please do turn on the little post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, if you guys do recreate this for some reason, might feel like you want to kind of try it or want to see if you can look like Barbie one day, please do tag me in your photos on Instagram, and all my social medias are linked in the description box. Please do follow me on those if you want. Yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Keep on watching the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week in a new video. Mwah. Bye guys, love you. Okay, so we're gonna start off priming our eyes with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I love this thing. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. As you guys can see, I love this concealer. Yeah guys, by the way, I have like so much hair extensions in right now to add to the look. And I don't have any fake tan on because Barbie seems like, not pale, but like quite light in complexion. So we're working with our natural skin tone today, guys. And I've also dyed my hair blonde. Not just for this video, I was gonna go blonde. It's not as blonde as it used to be, but basically that's because I had a really dark base on my hair. But that has nothing to do with what today's video is. So yeah, I'm gonna apply my concealer now and stop blabbering. I really hope this goes to plan. If not, then I'll probably like refilm it and post it later. Literally, I've been thinking about filming this for like the longest time. And then I was like, hang on, if I'm dyeing my hair blonde, then I'll just wait till it's blonde. But yeah, let's ignore the state of my hair right now. It's in this like low pony thing because the hair extensions are so heavy. They literally came in the post today and I was like, right, let's film. Okay, so now we're gonna set our eyelids. You guys all know how to do this, so I'm just gonna use my RCMA No Color Powder. This is going to be the tricky part, I think. Also, I don't have blue eyes and I don't have blue contacts. So basically, I'm going to edit my eyes to be blue, and at the end of the thing, I'll post a video, not a video, a photo of what it looks like with like blue eyes edited on. I have a photo of Barbie here. So let's see how this goes. Right, I'm going to pick up my Morphe 35B palette. Look how disgusting this palette looks. I don't know how I got powder all over it. Okay, we're gonna start off as a transition shade with this one up here. It's just a pinky shade. And I'm gonna take that on a MAC 224 brush, I think. Guys, change of plan. I can't find my MAC 224, so I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M441 brush. Just looks like this. It's dirty, I know, don't hate me. But yeah, we're just gonna go in with that shade and just blend it into our crease area. Okay guys, so that is all blended into my crease quite lightly. So now I'm gonna go in with my Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush, and I'm gonna take the bright pink shade in the palette, which is just this one here. So you don't want too much of this shade, and you want to bring it quite higher up than you would normally take this eyeshadow, because we're gonna make a really big eyelid space. I'm going to go in with my original brush just to blend that out some more. I don't want this to be too much of an intense pink shade. Although Barbie is like known for pink, I still want to make sure it's nice and blended. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my eyelid now. Sounds so weird saying that out loud. Yeah, you guys know the drill with this. You know my favourite brush to do this with is my Luxe Detail Shader brush from Zoeva. It is the best brush if you want to cut your eyelid. honestly, like, don't sleep on this. It is amazing. Okay, so I want my eyelid to be like white, but I don't have like a white cream eyeshadow. The closest I have to it is this Ben Nye cream foundation in the shade Porcelain. My college actually gave this to me. As you guys can see, it's very light, but it's not quite white. I'm gonna use this to cut my eyelid. I have no idea how pigmented it is. I've never used it before. So I swear down, if this fucks me over, I'm gonna be vexed, like vexed. So yeah, I'm gonna be quiet when I do this. You guys know the drill. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer and yeah, just cut your eyelid. By the way, guys, I'm bringing this up higher than I normally would because Barbie has massive eyelids. Okay, that took ages, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off of camera and I'll be right back with you when it is done. Okay, bye guys. Okay guys, I am back with the other eyelid done. They're not looking identical, but when do my cut creases ever look identical, let's be honest. So I also went ahead and set that with a matte white eyeshadow. Update on this Ben Nye cream foundation thing. It's not the best thing I've ever used. I think it's too creamy to do a cut crease with, but I mean it kind of works, but it's a lot harder than all the other products I've used to use a cut crease. To use a cut crease, to do a cut crease. Gonna go in with a tiny bit of the matte black in the palette. This one. At the bottom, if I can get it in frame, that one there. Tap off the excess. This is on my Zoeva wing liner brush. And all I'm gonna say is Jesus take the wheel, because this could mess up the whole look, but it needs it. So if I'm gonna be really quiet when I do this. So yeah, I'm just applying this like between the pink and the white. I literally forget to breathe, man. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the brush that I used with my pink eyeshadow. You do want this line to be relatively harsh, because that is what's really gonna make it look doll-like, is the really harsh thing from bright white to like dark black. Can people stop messaging me while I'm trying to do a cut crease? Thank you. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done like on the top for now. I think I'm gonna go in with my base products now, like start off with them. So let me just collect those quickly and I'll be right back with you. So I just applied some moisturizer. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. I can't deal with my hair right now. All these extensions are so heavy. Why am I wearing a white jumper when I'm applying makeup? God, this is Champion as well. It's gonna get so dirty. Okay, right, I'm gonna apply my strobe cream and mix it with some Cover FX illuminator drops, or like, I don't know what they're called. Enhancer drops. I think they're the custom enhancer drops. Mine are in the shade Sunlight and my strobe cream's in the shade Gold Light. Yeah, I'm gonna apply a lot of this because Barbie is quite, well, she's plastic. So for us to look plastic, we need to be highlighted. I am going to blend that in with my Real Techniques blush brush all over my face. So I don't really want to get this on my hands because then my hands will look plastic too. I need a smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with the stippling brush because this has bronzer on it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go with my M439. This has foundation on it, but I guess will work better than bronzer. I was like, I don't want to use my hands, and then I just end up just going with my hands. I need a hairband. Be right back. Just to clarify, I'm not trying to make this look, well, obviously I'm trying to make it look good, but I'm trying to make it look plastic. I mean, I love my highlighter, but personally, I would never put this much liquid highlighter on. Ever. Right, so for foundation, I'm going to mix my Jouer, which is like the fullest coverage foundation you will ever find in your life, with my Makeup Forever stick, which is also full coverage as hell, and apply that to my face. And believe it or not, more highlighter drops. Cover FX wanna sponsor me? I'm joking. It got on my white jumper! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. How do I get it off? I'm gonna get a towel, be right back. I wanna cry. It's literally stained one of my favorite jumpers. I love how 5 minutes earlier I was like, this is definitely gonna get dirty, but did nothing about it. Karma, isn't it? Let's blendy blendy blend with my beauty blender. I'm so upset about my jumper, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This feels awful on my skin. Like, so thick. Like, I can handle a thick foundation, but I honestly don't think it's the foundation. I think it's all the highlighter drops that I used, because I don't know what it is about them, but I hate the feeling of it when I put a lot of them on my skin, and obviously I like drowned my skin in it, so. I mean, I look glowy though. Okay, so under my eyes, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D concealer. I think it's expired, but you know, we'll work with it. It's in the shade L7. And I'm gonna highlight all over my face. I don't like highlighting my nose, by the way, guys, like with this stuff. I don't know. I think it makes it look weird, so I'm just going to highlight this part of my face. And then I'm going to apply my NARS Soft Matte Concealer over the top with my Beauty Blender, if I can find it. I'm going to blend it out with my NARS Concealer. All the like liquid highlighter that we used has kind of emphasized the texture on my skin a little bit. So I'm going to bake my face. I'm applying this everywhere we applied the concealer, and then, oh my god, my nose is running, not the time. And then I'm going to apply it to the rest of my face as well with my Beauty Blender. I think I put so much powder on my face that I basically just baked my entire face. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off of camera quickly, and I probably wipe off my bake and everything over there, and then I will be back with you. Okay guys, so I've done my brows, wiped off my bake, I'm back. I changed my jumper because I was heartbroken when all the highlighter got on it. So I'm wearing red now, so should be a bit safer. I am going to apply white eyeliner in my waterline. This is the Sleek, what's it called? White Noise Eeyore La La Liner. I'm applying this all over my waterline. Yeah, I want my eyes to be bigger, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this porcelain foundation thing from Ben Nye, and I'm going to take my little MAC 210 brush, which is tiny, literally tiny, and I'm going to apply this, like, it's hard to explain, but like under my lash line. I'm gonna colour in my lower lashes as well, because I don't want there to be like any trace of them being there, because I'm gonna draw on different ones. Ew, I just got it on my contact lens. Oh my god, I just got why contact lenses are called contact lenses. Because they come into contact with your eye. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm a genius. Maybe dumb that I just realised that, but oh my god. Wow. Never realised that. Revelation. Learn something new every day, innit? I might actually take it all along the lower lash line, guys. Extend it to meet up with the eyelid. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, there. Okay, I'm gonna set that with my RCMA No Colour Powder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the matte black eyeshadow on my same 210 brush. Make sure there's barely any product on the brush. Then spray it with some Fix Plus, and then apply it under that, just like that. This is the first time I've ever done a technique like this, so if it isn't perfect, I'm sorry. I grabbed my Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in the shade Trooper, and I'm going to try drawing some eyelashes. I think this could completely ruin it. I'm going to do the other one off camera because that just made me sweat so much. I'm also going to do the wing liner because I hate doing wing eyeliner on camera. But I'll be right back with you when they're done. Sorry guys. Right, bye. Okay guys, so I stuck my eyelashes on. I'm pretty sure I did the lower lashes, this one on camera. I did this one off camera. I also put eyeliner in my waterline and I did my winged liner. It sounds like I did so much off camera. I promise I didn't. All that I did off camera was my wing liner and my lashes. These are the House of Lashes Iconics. Not sure if I said it, but I thought they would work really well with this look. My eyes started watering when I applied this one and I was like, bitch, you better not try me. It's still a bit like watery. So for bronzer, I'm going to apply Hoola by Benefit mixed with Hoola Light. They are both these two, just mix them together and apply that onto my cheekbones. I'm just bronzing with this. I haven't contoured or anything yet. This is just to add warmth to my skin. So yeah, we just took that on our cheekbones, forehead, nose, and under our jawline. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe R8 brush, which is like a flat contour brush, and I'm just gonna dip into regular Hoola. I'm not mixing any of Hoola Light in, and just contouring with this. By the way, I have no idea if anyone has done this video before. I came up with the idea by myself. If anyone has done this video, I'm sorry that I didn't give you credit, but I didn't take the idea from you. Do you know what I mean? Like, I came up with it on my own. So don't think that I'm stealing this video from anyone because I haven't seen anyone do it before. But if I have, I'm sorry, but I didn't mean to. But yeah, I'm gonna apply a little bit of matte gold deposit now. It's like a shimmery bronzer, it looks like this. It's very pretty. And I'm gonna apply this over all the places that we bronzed. Let's go ahead and do that. Forehead, cheekbones, and a little bit on the nose. My nose won't stop running. Stop ruining my makeup, bitch. I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus and then we can highlight. I don't want it to get on my eyes though. Do you guys ever do that where you're like, do not touch my eyes with the Fix Plus? Because I've got eyeliner all under there. That is not about to run. Not today, Satan. Not today. I'm gonna first of all go in with Champagne Pop by Becca. You guys all know what that looks like. Mine's smashed, so I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm gonna take this on an M510 by Morphe. I'm going to apply this onto my forehead now. I never highlight my forehead, but we want to look plastic, so I just want it right there, like sort of above my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm going to apply this down the bridge and on the tip of my nose. Right, I'm going to apply MAC Pink Nouveau. I don't have a pink lip liner this shade, So I'm just gonna overline with this. I'm going to apply gloss over the top. This is Benefit A-Lister. I don't think they actually make this anymore because I went to buy a new tube and I couldn't find it, which is really annoying because it's such a good lip gloss. I might have got that wrong with it. They might still make it. I just couldn't find it. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer in the middle of my lips. Okay guys, so that is the final look. Let me know how you guys think I did. This is like crazy. I'm gonna take photos, edit myself to make my eyes blue because as I said, I don't have any blue contacts, which I'm so sad about. But I am so happy with this. What the hell? I thought this was gonna be the biggest flop of 2018. But like, I think I actually low-key kind of pulled it off. Like, how the hell did I manage that? Like, what the hell? I've got my hair extensions in. I am literally living. This is so funny. So I guess that's the final makeup look. That is mad. Okay, if you guys recreate this for any reason, like, I don't know, maybe you just want to be Barbie one day, tag me in your photos, please. I will actually piss myself laughing. Like, not that you guys don't look like Barbie or anything, but I just think it's the funniest thing to try and do. I mean, Barbie is quaking. Like, she is shook to the core. Like, hi, oh my god, I just looked at myself in my camera. How the hell did I manage to pull this off? I'm actually low-key shook. So yeah, leave a like, comment, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and turn on my post notifications. All my social medias are linked in the description box. Let me know how you guys think I did. I'm actually quite happy with it. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.
Don't let me drown. Don't